Hi, this is Skills 2. This is the first lesson in this unit, and we are just going to jump right into it. We have a new syllable blending that we are going to try out. You put two fists in front of you. Each time I say a word, you're going to open your hand, palm face up in front of you, and then when I say the second word, you're going to do the same thing with the other fist, and then you're going to smash them, put them together to make a compound word. Okay, the first word is cup. So open one of your hands. Cake. Open the other hand. Put them together to make cupcake. Reset. Two fists in front of you. Bed. Room. Put them together. Bedroom. Reset. Snow. Man. Snowman. Reset. Sea. Shell. Put them together. Seashell. Next one, reset. Pop. Corn. Put them together. Popcorn. Reset. This is my favorite color. Rain. Bow. Rainbow. Reset. Out. Side. Outside. Last one. Bed. Bug. Put them together. Bedbug. We have another group of words in class. We were able to do these playing duck, duck, goose, but I would suggest doing the fist since it's just you and your child. You can pause and do the fists and the open hands and put them together, and then resume when you're ready with these words. Next, we're going to be working on some fine motor activities. You're going to get your Play-Doh and make the cup with your Play-Doh. Get a small portion out, roll it on the table to make it look like a tube kind of, and then shape it into the U shape to make the cup. Okay, when you're done doing that, you're going to be working in your workbook. It's going to be people jumping rope, and then there's also a sheet that has mittens. And then you're going to also read your pictures, as we've done before. Make sure that whenever you say the picture word, that the child is putting their finger underneath the picture and not on top of the picture. It's really important whenever we start actually reading with words that they don't cover up the word that they're trying to read. Okay, and that is today's lesson. Thank you for completing it, and we will see you tomorrow.